it's just still crazy to me. Like in a single moment in time, so much destruction can happen, man. My prayers is with Kentucky right now, bro. This is just devastating. And every time you get that drone aerial view and you see the carnage and the aftermath left over after one of these severe weather incidents, you're just like, man, in a moment, somebody lost everything, bro. It's so scary, so tragic. And I'd be looking at some of these bigger buildings and I'd be like, man, I would have probably tried to go in there and seek shelter and look at this place. And I asked myself, would I have survived that? Would I have survived that?